Oh yeah, we're in.
I'd go for a minute.
Hey, no stems. No stems.
No stems.
Yeah.
1 minute.
Slap me. Hit me on my back. Come on.
Do it. Come on. Do this.
Yeah.
No, don't
Arnold.
do that.
Arnold.
You can do it.
Go.
Oh, you're not gonna make it at that speed. Oh, there's no. You're thinking it. Quit thinking about it.
Go.
Quit thinking about it. You just gotta swallow these things.
8 seconds. Go, Tim. Is that all you got? 10 seconds. Come on, Tim. Come on,
That wasn't hot.
15 seconds.
It's been a while. It's been a while. Oh boy.
You go. 25 seconds. Come on. Come on, Tim. Come on, Tim.
Oh, come on. That's not even 2. That's not even 2.
I'm gonna bomb it, dude.
What happened to you? What happened?
Come on, 40 seconds. Get one more down.
What happened?
The hiccups.
I can't believe you're eating that.
Holy shit, these are hops.
Come on, man.
I can't do it.
Are you out at 2? 2?
These are... Oh. Hey, you need a tablespoon of cinnamon to make it feel better.
Wow. 2. I'm embarrassed. I'm embarrassed to show this footage. 2.
The hiccups.
Man.
I need some water.
Wow. Well, that's definitely not a new record.
No.
Huh.
Holy. I need something fast.
There's water in the fridge.
Holy crap.
That's the milk.
You're still recording this?
Well, I'm hoping that you're about to tag back in and at least eat a 3rd one.
Oh my God.
That's 2.
Oh.
I think Cheney ate 2 with his burrito. Huh.
Those are hot.
More to follow.